Unlocking the power of could in English. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video where we'll be diving into the multifaceted world of the modal verb could in English. As an intermediate English learner, mastering the use of modal verbs like could is crucial in enhancing your English proficiency and communication skills. So, let's get started. Could is a modal verb in English. Like other modal verbs, it is used before other verbs to add an additional layer of meaning to them. Could is actually the past tense of can, but it's not only used to talk about the past. It has several uses, which we will explore in the next sections. Firstly, we often use could to describe something that someone was able to do in the past. For example, I could swim when I was younger. She could play the piano beautifully as a child. In these examples, could shows that someone had the ability to do something in the past. Could is also frequently used to make polite requests or suggestions. For example, could you pass me the salt, please? We could go to the cinema tonight, if you like. Here, the usage of could softens the tone and makes the requests or suggestions sound more polite and less direct. Another common use of could is to talk about hypothetical situations or things that might happen under certain conditions. For example, if we leave now, we could catch the 7 o'clock train. I could go to the party if I finish my work on time. In these examples, could shows the possibility of something happening if a certain condition is met. Understanding the modal verb could and its various uses can greatly improve your English language skills. By using could correctly, you can talk about past abilities, make polite requests or suggestions, and discuss hypothetical situations. Keep practicing these different uses and remember to try them out in your everyday English conversations. I hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for our next lesson where we'll continue to explore the wonderful world of English modal verbs. Until next time, keep learning and happy studying.